Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Etsy app weekly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you click on Etsy app and you click here in this window. Then here in this page you will go to first step and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem, so please don't forget